Phenomenal.
Yeah.
And as a master collaborator, having worked with Mick Jagger, the Rolling Stones,
Yeah.
no doubt, countless others, Grace Jones, what is
Bob
the
Dylan,
key? Bob Dylan, what's the key to collaboration?
Joe Cocker,
Oh, see there.
Yeah, yeah,
Gwen
man.
Guthrie,
Hey,
Simple Red.
yeah.
Some of the members of Simple Red, a lot of them. Sometimes I can't remember. Nora, what's her name? She's singing Patti LaBelle in the Blue Bells.
Nora
A
Jones.
lot of Nora Hendricks,
Yeah, Hendrix.
Carly Simon, a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people, you know. Garland Jeffries in the early days, he was on the first one they played for. And a lot of people, I can't remember sometimes, a lot.
Welcome to Island Heat. This is your hostess, Lady Lalabella. Want to get more trivia and new music from the hottest Caribbean artists based in Atlanta? Go subscribe to the Island Heat radio show on YouTube and click get notifications for exclusive content. Tap in and keep it locked.